Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my first set of Chibi Pokemon with Pikachu, Eevee, and Charmander. So let's get started. To draw this super kawaii Pokemon, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across and draw another circle. From there, I'm going to come in this corner right here and draw another circle for a highlight and then shade it all in. And same thing over here. And then I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw this kind of like a widened out W. So right here in the center, I'm just give myself a point first. Then from there, I'm going to draw a curve coming out on both sides. There, so cute. And then let's come above the eyes and draw a soft curve. Then now we're going to start to draw the face. So to make it much easier, let's come to the bottom of where your eyes are, come out and say about right here. Just give yourself a point. And from there, that's where you're going to start the cheeks. So just soft curve down. And then this part is going to go up from here. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So kind of like at the bottom of where your eyes are, come out a little bit, just like the other side, but right here. Soft curve out and curve up. So it just kind of makes it easier to figure out where to start this curve. Okay, then from there, we're just going to go ahead and round this off and connect it at the top for Pikachu's head and bring it right back down. Then let's go ahead at the bottom and we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes all the way. And I'm not going to close this curve. It's just going to kind of hang out about right here. And same thing here. About right there. Nice and even. And then now let's make it look like Pikachu with the ears. So I'm going to come up about right here and draw a big curve that comes up and comes right back down. So because it is a chibi style, I'm making the ears a lot thicker and shorter. So then about right here, we can go ahead and draw a curve and I'll just shade this in so you can see a bit better. And for the other ear, let's have it flop a little bit. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes out to about right there. Round it off a little bit and then bring it right back in. And so once again, let's come about right here and draw a curve and shade this in. So that's the nice thing about Chibi style. It's much simpler and much cuter, right? Okay, there. Now let's draw the body. And we're going to come right here, nice and center. And I'm going to draw this slight angle line and then round it off at the bottom. So same thing here, slight angle line. And let's just start to round it off and bring it together. And as we come to the bottom, let's give it a little wobble towards the center and then connect. And then at the bottom, we can add little feet. So right here, just pop out this little curve and in. So same thing here. Curve and in. And then for the hands, right in this area, we're just going to add a little curve. Have Pikachu's hands hang out right there and here. If you add some details, you can very lightly add two little lines if you like. And then for the tail, signature tail, and let's come about right here in this area. I'm going to start to draw the zigzag. So let's start about right there. Let's go up at an angle. And now the biggest one, so go up, and about right here, I'm going to push it out bring it down with a slight curve and connect. And then in this area, I guess this is different color, so I'll just draw in a little zigzag right there. And that is pretty much it for Pikachu. So now let's move on to Eevee right here. So I'm going to do the same thing for each and one of my characters. Let's come right in this area. I'm going to come across about the same area because I want them about the same size. Say about right here, I'll start and draw another circle. And come right across, draw another circle. And once again, highlight and shade in. So the idea with this chibi kawaii style is to make everything much simpler. Okay, so 2 circles in, and then in between we're just going to give Eevee a little cute smile. So this was totally inspired by that stack of Pokemon, chibi Pokemon that I saw. Let's come top. Unfortunately, I don't know who the artist is. I tried Googling to find out, and but it's a very famous drawing with a stack of Pokemon. Okay, so let's do the same thing right here. Let's come outward under the eye, come out a little bit, about right here, and draw a curve. Same thing, so come out about right here, and up. So once again, just like Pikachu, I'm going to bring this up. And about right here, I'll stop and draw a little fluff of fur for Eevee here, and then continue my curve down. There. And then once again at the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. Let's just bring this in. Now it's pretty even, but right there, I'm going to stop because I want to draw this tuft of fur on Eevee here. So say about right here in the center. I'm going to give myself a point and I'm just going to round off a curve. And same thing here. Round off a curve and come down. And we're going to start to draw a zigzag for this tuft of fur. And bring it down to a point, nice and soft, and connect. Make this a little bit poofier. Okay, so then from there, let's go up and draw the ears to make it look more like Eevee. So about right here, I'll start, and we're just going to give it a slight angle, soft angle, then bring it up. Round off the tip, come down, slight angle again, and in. And then the inside, we're just going to kind of follow the outside and in. So same thing over here. So about right here. Angle slightly out, about right there, then bring it in. And angle in. So same thing once again, just follow your outside. There, looks more like Eevee now, right? Okay, so then now for the body. Once again, it's the same thing just like Pikachu. We're just going to angle and round it off. So yeah, about the same height as Pikachu. So let's bring this in. And once again, wobble towards the center and then connect. And the feet, just pop them out right here on the side and in. And then for the hands, for Eevee here, I'm just going to put them to the side. And same thing here. Okay, and then now for Eevee's gorgeous tail. So about right here, I'm going to pop it out nice and fluffy. Round off the tip. And bring it right back in. And let's separate the different colors right here with some zigzags. And we've done Eevee. So now for the last one for today is Charmander. Charmander is a lot simpler. So let's start right here. Same thing once again. I'm just going to come right across about in this area and draw a circle. So I really hope this inspires you to draw your own Chibi Pokemon. So about right here. And highlight and shade in. Same thing here. And for Charmander here, we're going to give him a big mouth. So right in between the eyes, I'm going to come about right here and draw a slight angle towards the center and then go right back up towards the center. And then I'm going to connect it with a kind of like a bottom of a U. Nice and wide and deep for his mouth. And then let's come up here and very lightly I'm going to draw a little tooth, two of them right there, and then his tongue right here. And then let's, you know what, I won't shade that in yet. I might use it like a darker, muddier red or brown. Okay, so then let's come to the top right here, to the bottom of the eye, come out just like the other ones, about right there. And we're going to draw the cheek and go up. So same thing here. And up. And for Charmander, he's just one big head at the top. No ears. So let's bring it all the way to the top and then just come right back down. So I'm just giving him a taller head. Then from there, let's bring this down just like Pikachu. We're not going to connect it. We're just going to kind of end it about right here. And then let's draw his body. Oh, before I forget, let's give a little curve right here above the eyes. And then the same thing for the body. And just remember to give a little wobble right here in the center and connect. And once again, the little feet that I love because they're so simple and yet so cute. There. And then let's come to the center and we're going to draw a big curve for Charmander here. And then his hands, I'm just going to have it come up, nice and simple. One and then the other one, same thing. And then of course his tail that makes him unique. So about right here and here. Nice and thin at the tip right here, and then we're going to draw the flame. Curve, maybe another one, and bring it right back in. Like drawing a flower. So you can come in here with maybe another layer if you like. Or you can do that when you're coloring. And that is pretty much it. But you know what? Why not? I'll add a heart on each one of them. So now they're my Draw So Cute Chibi inspired Pokemon. Now that I've added the heart, I forgot to mention one last important thing. For Pikachu here, just add a big red circle right next to the eyes. And for Eevee and Charmander, you can just draw like a little pink circle for some blush on the cheeks. And I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And if you love these Pokemon style in this Chibi Kawaii style, definitely let me know in the comments below if you want more. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.